Listen and practice. Sarah's supermarket adventure. Once upon a time, Sarah entered the supermarket. She noticed people pushing around shopping carts or carrying baskets. She wondered which one to choose, a shopping cart or a basket. Sarah decided to grab a basket since she only needed a few items for today. Her shopping list included ketchup and non-fat milk. She couldn't find these items. She asked a store employee, "Where can I find ketchup?" The store employee guided her to the condiments section. Sarah was also looking for non-fat milk. She asked employee, "Do you have non-fat milk?" The store employee guided her to the dairy section. She found milk, yogurt, butter, and cheese. Sarah saw a sign that said 20% off on some yogurt. She asked the employee, "Is this on sale?" The store employee said that it was on sale, offering her a 20% discount. Sarah happily added some yogurt to her basket. Listen and repeat. Sarah's supermarket adventure. Sarah's supermarket adventure. Once upon a time, Sarah entered the supermarket. Once upon a time, Sarah entered the supermarket. She noticed people pushing around shopping carts or carrying baskets. She noticed people pushing around shopping carts or carrying baskets. She wondered which one to choose, a shopping cart or a basket. She wondered which one to choose, a shopping cart or a basket. Sarah decided to grab a basket since she only needed a few items for today. Sarah decided to grab a basket since she only needed a few items for today. Her shopping list included ketchup and non-fat milk. Her shopping list included ketchup and non-fat milk. She couldn't find these items. She couldn't find these items. She asked a store employee, "Where can I find ketchup?" She asked a store employee, "Where can I find ketchup?" The store employee guided her to the condiments section. The store employee guided her to the condiments section. Sarah was also looking for non-fat milk. Sarah was also looking for non-fat milk. She asked employee, "Do you have non-fat milk?" She asked employee, "Do you have non-fat milk?" The store employee guided her to the dairy section. The store employee guided her to the dairy section. She found milk, yogurt, butter, and cheese. She found milk, yogurt, butter, and cheese. Sarah saw a sign that said 20% off on some yogurt. Sarah saw a sign that said 20% off on some yogurt. She asked the employee, "Is this on sale?" She asked the employee, "Is this on sale?" The store employee said that it was on sale, offering her a 20% discount. The store employee said that it was on sale, offering her a 20% discount. Sarah happily added some yogurt to her basket. Sarah happily added some yogurt to her basket. Question 1. What does Sarah choose to use for her shopping? A. Shopping cart. B. Basket. C. Handbag. D. Trolley.
Time's over.
Question 2. What did Sarah ask the store employee about? A. How's your day? B. What's your name? C. Do you carry backpacks? D. Where can I find ketchup?
Time's over.
Question 3. Where did Sarah find ketchup in the supermarket? A. In the toy section. B. In the condiments section. C. In the bakery. D. In the frozen foods section.
Time's over.
Question 4. What did the sign 20% off mean? A. The store's closing time. B. An aisle number. C. 20% discount. D. A 20% increase in prices.
Time's over.
Question 5. Which item did Sarah buy with a 20% discount? A. A new bicycle. B. A bag of chips. C. Some yogurt. D. A loaf of bread.
Time's over.